Key part of a Democrats' climate agenda is likely to be cut from the reconciliation package after opposition from Democratic Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia.
Joe Manchin, senator from West Virginia, made $500,000 on coal production last year. His son runs a coal company that he founded, and he's got more donations from fossil fuel companies than anyone else in the Senate.
The New York Times this morning has a story on its front page indicating that West Virginia is flooding, and it's because of global warming.
Almost Sea World, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains will be a coral reef soon. It'll be wet there, wetter than her lake. Bought this boat with the coal profits I make. Country roads on my boat or my car. If it can't